We have some storms. It doesn't cause destruction, but they're scary. Okay, here we have a crazy fan storm, a crazy electric storm, crazy. It doesn't do any. This is what it's actually called. It's called a fan storm.
Okay. What does it do?
It pushes around wind to make, and it rains.
It rains. What is this all about?
It's about eaden storms.
Eaden storm. Okay.
It's about all my storms.
Hey, Aiden.
Yes.
You remember you did an Aiden video of storms and
here we have a cockroach storm.
A cockroach storm. Wow.
It looks like this.
Do you think it's gonna be a big one or small one?
It's going to be like as small as. It's very scary. It doesn't do anything, but it's windy. When you drive into it, you can't even see it.
Okay.
Okay, here we have a shadow lightning, but you think it will make it, but you think what rain will think it's their actual god. But turns out no.
No. Okay.
It's not their man. It actually hit. Here we have some wind. Okay, this is correct answer. Here is the correct answer. Not rain. Rain is fake. The rain is not perfect, but wind is check.
Okay.
Here we have some wind, and here we have something, and here we have,
What we have there?
and here we have the shadow wind, and here we have the shadow, and here we have the shadow lightning.
Okay.
And you know what's going to happen?
I don't know. What's gonna happen?
A sandstorm.
A sandstorm. Okay.
And you know what's going to happen? Okay, this is check. Okay, this is what a sandstorm looks like. This is a daddy sandstorm. This is a daddy sandstorm. This is an ant sandstorm. It's big. I don't know how big it is, but it's huge.
Okay. So is it gonna have like a lot of destruction?
No, it doesn't do nothing, but it is kind of twisty and cool.
Okay. So are you done explaining your sandstorm?
Yes. Now we got some. Now we have. Now we have.
Aiden, we earn our right belts.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
To the lookout.
Okay.
Watch my video.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to play some awesome games. I'm going to play a poetry Race to the Rescue.
Okay.
And you can pick Zuma and just tap him. And then you have to wait for it to fold. And then you push this.
Okay. Let me just.
And then you can tap it to jump. And if you tap 2 times, you can do a double jump. And you have those treats. So, actually, I can play this with it. Mom, you just actually download it for me.
Okay.
So,
Cool, Ethan.
Thanks.
Wow, that is amazing. OMG.
Hi. Hey, Ethan. What was that all about, Ethan?
Because
I
Got
don't.
a hole in your face.
Ethan, I don't want you doing that again. Do you understand?
Dude, I'm going.
Okay.
You know what I'm doing?
Nope. So watch my video, Mom. Not watching me.
Here.
Stay
not watching me.
Okay.
So you can swim with Zuma.
Is it
That's
Zuma? Okay.
it's Zuma.
All right.
Make that
And you can tap stuff like these and the baby turtles. And you can tap and turb it. And then you just, and then you then been catch.
Okay.
Marshall been captured.
Okay. All right. Say subscribe to my channel. Come
Yeah,
here.
but I'm not done yet. I have to get to the end and then I can subscribe it.
Mm,
So this is epic.
it's epic.
I bump into something. So you have to get all the trees and then you get the silver bone or the golden bone. This is a special tree.
All right. 1 second, Ethan.